See, I think we did a film called Student of the Year, and that also we were vying for the same honor, be the Student of the Year. But I think the film released and everyone liked us a lot, and the film did well as well, and we both have benefited from it. So I think it doesn't make a difference. I think that's a very cliche thing of the past. You're nominated for the same award, so you should hate each other. There should be some undercutting and all. I think anyone wins, you should be there. I think today the order of the day should be that you should be there and you should give respect to your peer. That वो जीत रहा है, उसने काम किया है इतनी लगन से, तो respect दो यार.
पिक्चर में भी हम एक ही अवार्ड के लिए ट्राई कर रहे थे. So I think it's been 2 years. 3 years I know Varun. So I think we've learned how to pretend really well.
मैं इंडस्ट्री में दोस्त बनाने नहीं काम करने आई हूँ. I'm not going to stick by that. But no, I saw that film. I was telling Ram, where's Ram here, that how my nieces are going mental over both of them, and all the boys I know, they are going crazy about Alia. It's good to see young talent, and she's younger to me. She's done a fantastic job. But definitely I want to win the award, yeah.
I can't deny the fact that my father has launched Isha, and he is very proud of her. Jab Rajyasree was going to release, he kept saying she's done a fantastic job. You don't know, I'm pitching newcomers against you. Sunny Leone ko bhi cast kiya. He's only putting newcomers against me, but I just think that it's really great that suddenly there's like a whole sea of newcomers. You know, people are just coming and they want to make films and they want to be on top. Everybody wants to be on top. You can't deny that. But I think the fact that just you get more films, even if you don't get awarded, as long as you're getting films, that's the most important thing.
It's a very special act. In fact, we all are doing songs which have been remixed with other songs. So it's a special take, and each one has a different entry and stuff like that. I think you'll have to watch the act and see exactly how it's choreographed. But there's definitely going to be a lot of energy, a lot of dancing, and a lot of youth, because that's what these awards are about. And hopefully you won't just see us having on stage. We'll be going all out and giving our all, so that we can entertain the audiences. मेरी आवाज़ इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, और मुझे ये गाना बहुत पसंद था. मेरा iPod डाउन था, तो आलिया की आवाज़ बहुत अच्छी है, तो मैंने उनको ये गाना सिखाया. और मुझे I have to sleep, I have to hear a song. So whenever we would travel for long journeys, I would tell her, now you sing, and she would sing, and then I would go to sleep.
मेरी नींद जैसे पहली बार टूटी है, आँखें मल के मैंने देखी है सुबह, हुई धूप ज़्यादा लेके तेरी रोशनी दिन चढ़ा, इश्क वाला.
I think Ayushman's really good. He's fantastic. I saw both of their acts sometime back. He's also a good performer and a great singer. So I think Ayushman's someone to look forward to.
Ilyana as well is very, very good. And for the male, I think Arjun could go.
No, in fact Arjun काफ़ी serious किस्म का इंसान है. तो मैं जब ये सब करता था तो वो काफ़ी भड़क जाता मेरे पे, और बोलता be serious वालों के, this is a life. He's like an older brother to me, and we are very close. He's like family to me, and there's no competition between me and Arjun. I mean, I can compete with anyone else, but I'll never compete with Arjun.